Hello again everyone, and welcome to another GCSE revision tips, tricks and banter video. Now, I know there's not been a lot of video banter, but this weekend I will be getting a new main computer, which I'll be using for live events where you guys can ask questions live and everything, and it'll be cool. And there's going to be a lot more videos being pumped out. Tomorrow we've got poetry. There's going to be history, calculator maths over the half term. I might do some science, but I reckon science will be probably live streams, and which will be posted as videos again, and some other maybe geography unit 3, because I know quite a few people struggle on that paper. And maybe an English language tutorial. I don't really know. I would suggest for English just watch Mr. Bruff, but I'll definitely do some poetry and try and find some unique analysis. But Mr. Bruff is the main man for that. Not going to lie. Okay, today we're going over fractions and recurring decimals. Now this is quite a tricky subject, and it's sort of around the A star sort of boundary. It can create very difficult sort of things. So as you can see, the first question is change 3/11 into a decimal. Now, people might be like, yeah, this is easy. Of course, I am trying to broaden the videos that I do to incorporate a whole load of maths range of how good you are and everything, so just bear with me. I'm going to be going over 4 questions in this category, so let's begin. As we're changing this to a decimal, what we're going to have to do firstly is divide. Now you may think that's great, but okay, so what we're going to do is take the denominator. These are all rules you can also use in an exam as well, and they're very helpful. If you see this, just remember that you're going to take the denominator and put it there. Bus stop method, that's not a square root, and put a 3. That's all you have to do. I'm leaving space for the decimal places, of course. So 11 into 3 goes 0. And then what you're going to do is carry the 3. Carry the 3 there. And put a 0 there. So it's going to be 30. 30 goes twice. Yep, goes twice. We're going to carry the 8 left over. Just like that. And it's going to have, that's going to be 80, so that's going to be 7. We're going to carry the 3 over. This is just basic division, but I'm just going to go over it because it's quite good. And the 2, and then it's just the 0, and we're going to go for 7. So that'll be your final answer. Remember your decimal place. It's going to be 0.27 with your little recurring dots, and make sure it's kind of visible. So what you have to do is you want to put the 3 in the, so the top goes in the bus stop, the 11 goes outside, and that's quite a handy rule if you ever see this in an exam. Just try and remember, top 1 goes in the bus stop, goes outside the bus stop, in the bus stop, bottom 1 goes outside. Now, proving that 0.39 equals 13/33, this is this is sort of a trickier question than what we've done. So this is gonna, to go through this, we're going to do 0.39. It helps if you are quite able at algebra. It does use a lot of algebra, these sorts of questions. So 0.39 equals x. Now, of course, it's really difficult when it's a 0. So what you're going to do is times it by 100, and you'll see why in a second. So we're going to have 39.3 39 as it's recurring, there will always be a 39 in the decimal, equals 100x, okay? Because we've times both sides by 100. So this, if we're going to get rid of the decimal, we'll end up with 39 equals, because if 0.39, what you really want to do is you want to get rid of this 39, okay? This 39 here. So if 0.39 is x, then 100x is going to be 39.39. But you still don't want that 39, so what you're going to do is take away x, so that's going to be 99x, because you've taken away 1x, so that's taken away the 0.39 at the end. Then what you will do is 39 over 99 gives you x, because you've divided it by 99. So x, if you want to simplify, x equals, simplifying it down, that is 9. So simplifying it down would give you 13 over 33. I'm going to skip the next question because it's very similar. It is, I'll go through it speaking time, so it's quite quicker. Sorry. Okay, I'll go through it while I rub this out. 0.45 again is x, and so 45.45 recurring will be 100x. To take away the 0.45, as we know that's x, so you'll be left with 45 equals 99x. That will give you 45 over 99 equals x, so x will equal, as once you get to that stage of where it's 45 over 99 equals x, once you get what 1x is, and you need to simplify it, if it's a proving question, you should be able to realise that, oh yeah, simplifying, if I've already got x and it's not simplified, then simplifying it will just leave me with the 15 over 33 that we see here in the top of that question. So hopefully that helped. We're going to go over some, did not mean for that to happen, but we're going to go over I think one more. I think it's a harder question. It's just showing what you would need to do when it's a tiny bit harder. Okay, so as you can see here, we won't go through this, but I can explain it because it's quite similar to this, but it's not. So here we're going to do the same thing. 0.213 recurring equals x. Then we know that 2.13, because remember the 0.200, as in say here, that is not a recurring, so you can move that up and that will equal 10x. But remember, you do want 0.213 again as a fraction. So if that's 10x, what we will do is 213.13 recurring. We will make that 1000x, and once again it's very similar to what we've done before, because what we will do is 213, as we're taking away the we're taking away 10x, which is 2.13, which will actually give us 211, which will give us 211, and 211 equals 990x, so 990x, as remember it's 1000x here, not 100, remember this time. So 211 or 211 equals 990x, so x, as we've seen in other questions, x equals, and here we don't have something to simplify it to, so we can just leave it as 211 over 990. I hope that video was helpful for you, and please subscribe and like this video, and I hope I'll catch you in the next video, maybe poetry, or I might still yet do some more maths videos really quickly before this GCSE maths exam tomorrow. Thank you for watching.